Right, so the sun's come out. We've literally got about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go through a quick maneuver that seems to be quite popular at the moment. A lot of guys were using it in 3D, and there seems to be a lot of variations coming out. I'm not sure what the name is, but for now we'll just call it a Pogo Loop. So the basics of this maneuver is you start in a hover, you got the nose to the right, and we're going to go vertical blades in, which is there. So you just want to pop it up to blades in. Now when you get to the top, we want to finish upright, nose left. We're going to go up and then nose left. So we're just going to pop it, vertical, nose left. And then on the way down, we're going to go skids in and then finish nose right. So blades in, nose left, skids in, nose right. And you want to see all 4 of those positions, otherwise it just looks horrible. Because if you don't quite hit the level at the top, it just looks really messy. You just kind of do that and it doesn't really mean anything. So you want to make sure you go vertical, horizontal, vertical, and down again. And you can take this really slow. So vertical, make sure that main shaft is pointing straight over you. So once you can do that version, we can reverse it and go the other way. So now we're going to go backwards, and we're going to go skids in. Right. So you just want to practice that, skids in. And now we'll go skids in and then nose left at the top. And then blades in on the way down. Skids in. So we'll do it forwards, backwards, so another variation is we can do this traveling. So we'll do a forwards one from here. And then we can do it backwards as well. And you can start playing around with this, so you can do lots of other versions. For instance, there's another version where you just say skids in. So we'll start nose left of this one. See, so that was skids in on the way up and skids in on the way down. Okay, and you want to make sure you reach all 4 of those points. So vertical, flat, vertical, flat. And there you have it, Pogo Loops. If you can think of a better name, or if you know the real name of this maneuver, let me know in the comments.